Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from NTPC. Yes, so dear students, when you will go to the official website of NTPC, here on the notice board you can see one latest recruitment is there of assistant officer safety at EO level. Okay, last date of application is 10th December 2024. When you will click here the detailed advertisement, it will be open. So let's check it out. First of all, who can apply and what is the eligibility criteria. So NTPC is looking for executives in safety at EO level. The qualifying recruitments are as name of the post is assistant officer safety. 50 posts are there. Who can apply? If you are having full-time engineering degree in mechanical, means BTech in mechanical, electrical, electronics, civil, production, chemical, construction, instrumentation from a recognized university with minimum 60% marks. This one plus, okay, it's not only for the diploma student, it's not only for the degree student. They require a degree plus a diploma. Okay, so please read this carefully. So you should have full-time BTech degree in all these branches, means among all these any one of the branch, plus or with diploma or advanced diploma or PG diploma in industrial safety from Central Labor Institute or Regional Labor Institute, Government of India. Okay, upper age limit is 45 year. Level of recruitment is EO only. Okay, pay scale for recruitment is, they mention here idea, this is rupees 30,000 to 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 20,000. Okay, I think this is E0 grade, huh? Okay, E1, E2, E3 we are having, so this is E0 grade, initial grade. Okay, and number of posts they mention here, assistant officer number of post 50, category wise they mention here the division. Uploading of documents, please read there carefully what you need to show here. Details of engineering degree, then safety diploma or final or provisional certificate also you need to show here. Okay, all these requirements are compulsory, so you can just check it out the details also here. After that, some general conditions mention कि only Indian nationals are eligible to apply. All qualification should be from universities or institute recognized and approved in India. Okay, and they mention here also more details. When I'm coming to here, so you can see the next is, in order to restrict the number of candidates, if so required, the management reserve the right to conduct. Okay, what is this? Right to conduct the multi-stage selection process, which may comprise of application, shortlisting, or screening based on the qualification or percentage of marks. It can include, okay, the written test, computer-based test, a personal interview, or combination of the above as deemed fit by the management. Okay, online selection test, if any, will consist two parts: a subject knowledge test, that is SKT, and executive aptitude test, EAT. Candidates are required to qualify both in subject test and executive aptitude test, okay, separately. And this is, they clearly mentioned in this point number 6. You can see right now the selection process is not so much clear, but it can have all these steps can be possible here. Posting shall be at any of the stations or projects or JV subsidiary at NTPC. Okay, JV means joint venture subsidiary of NTPC. All posts are transferable. Okay. While applying the post, you can see the detail. This detail is also any proceedings in respect of any matter of claim. Please check it out your details. Now, how to apply? How to apply? Interested candidates should log on to our website careers.ntpc.co.in or visit career section at ntpc.co.in, and here you can see this detail. Then candidates belonging to general, EWS or OBC category are required to pay a non-refundable application fees of rupees 300. If you are from SC, ST, PWBD, ex-serviceman category and female candidates, then there is no requirement of filling any application fee. Okay, so exempted from the application fees. Payment in offline mode is mentioned, and this option, if any student wants to pay the fees in offline mode, this is possible. In online mode is also possible. They mention this detail. Okay, and here it's a commencement of online application form. It's already started from the 26th November. Today is the 28th November, and the last date for online application will be 10th December 2024, as they will mention more details here about the selection procedure, which is not so clear, but that is clear कि maybe they will have multiple stages that can means include the written test, that can include the CBT, that can include the interview also. So that is clearly mentioned. If you think you are having these qualification, BTech in these, in any one of the branches, plus diploma in the safety, then you can eligible and you are, means you are free to apply here. Okay guys, so just check it out, more updates at the official website of NTPC, and this is the last date, 10th December. Related to more such type of updates, you need to stay connected to I Must Get Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.